Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download GoodBudget application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away without wasting much of our time. Open your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in GoodBudget and search. Once you come across this application, go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iPhone. GoodBudget is a personal finance application that helps individuals and families manage their budgets and track their expenses. Wait for the application to download and install, and you can then open the app and get started. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded GoodBudget application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.